The author would have you believe that dinosaur extinction was solely the result of volcanic eruptions. However, the volcanism theory has weaknesses, and the writer overlooks several factors. First, the volcanic eruptions within the Deccan region of India did not make a significant enough impact to cause mass extinction. This is because most of the lava that erupted came after the impact of an asteroid that hit the Earth underneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. 75% of the lava erupted after the asteroid hit, so the volcanic activity couldn't be responsible for the extinction event. Furthermore, an impact from an asteroid would result in giant dust clouds that would bring about climate change. Carbon dioxide, sulfur, and other toxic gases would be emitted after an asteroid impact and destroy the ecosystems dinosaurs once thrived in. Next, the author claims that there is no fossil evidence that indicates sudden death of dinosaurs living at the time of impact. However, a recent excavation site in North Dakota did show evidence of sudden mass killing. The fossils of organisms, varying in age and species, indicate that they all died on the same day. There is also evidence that seismic ocean waves and debris arrived at the site approximately 10 minutes after the asteroid hit the Yucatan Peninsula. In regards to iridium, well, what the author omits here is that iridium is commonly found in asteroids. After impact, melted rock debris would have launched into the sky and been carried long distances by winds. Iridium-rich dust from the meteor would be the last to fall to the Earth after impact. Based on the emission rates of iridium from Hawaiian volcanoes, volcanic eruptions alone cannot account for all the iridium observed in geological records at the time of mass extinction.